Hello everyone, are you interested in testing your trading strategy before taking real trades? जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना. Testing your strategy is crucial, but many people avoid it because they think it requires coding skills. As a result, they enter the live market unprepared and often suffer significant losses. But not anymore. In today's video, I will show you how to trade using ChatGPT. I will reveal the secret of live strategy testing for free. So, तो वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका आकाश डीआर चैनल पे स्वागत है. तो चलिए नई दिशा नई सोच के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं. टू टेस्ट योर ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटेजी, द मोस्ट पॉपुलर वेबसाइट इज TradingView. Here you can access charts and various strategies. You can even test the bank nifty on charts on the screen. Currently we are using 5-minute candles, but you can switch to 1-minute or 15-minute candles depending on your preferences. You can also experiment with different patterns and indicators available here. Now let's explore the Pine Editor and strategy tester options. Usually to test a strategy you will need to create a code in advance using Pine Editor. For example, if you want to test a top notch moving average crossover strategy, you will have to write the complete code for it. However, with ChatGPT you can give commands and it will do the work for you. You can even write codes directly from here. Let's start by testing fascinating moving average crossover strategy with ChatGPT. I will ask it to write a Pine script for testing this strategy. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating the code for us. We will copy this code and paste it into TradingView Pine Editor. After making simple correction by replacing study with strategy, we add it to the chart. Now our moving average indicator is automatically placed on the chart and we can see the results of this strategy in the strategy tester. For example, using 5-minute candle, we had 272 trades with an profit of 880, a 40% profit rate and maximum loss of 1.6%. Switching to 15-minute candle chart, we had 242 trades with great profit when using 1-minute candle chart, returning a surprising loss of 0.04% loss. From this, we learned that the moving average crossover strategy is more profitable with 15-minute candle chart. It's essential to choose the right time frame for your strategy to maximize your chances of success. नेक्स्ट अब हम सिंपल RSI स्ट्रेटेजी को टेस्ट करते हैं. I asked ChatGPT to write the code for a simple RSI strategy with specific criteria and it delivered code accurately. We copied this code into TradingView and strategy tester shows us results of different time frames. So you will have backtested results which are profitable. In conclusion, strategy testing is important before diving into live trading. ChatGPT can simplify the coding process and help you make informed trading decisions. If you found this video interesting and insightful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.